This hot weather, the Panhandle Health District is warning people about the water in Fernan Lake.
There's a health advisory in effect tonight for people and their pets. The popular fishing spot just east of Coeur d'Alene is suffering from a blue-green algae bloom that creates toxins in the water. KXY4's Jeff Humphrey shows us why the usually inviting lake is becoming an aquatic turnoff.
And you probably don't need a warning sign to tell you that something is wrong with Fernan Lake. In some places, the blue-green algae bloom is so thick, the water looks more like the Mississippi River.
The temperature gets a little higher, nutriments get in the water, and we will have this. In 2008, we had a similar bloom and had to have the same type of restrictions.
Dr. Bill Miller lives on Fernan Lake, and he was the first person to notice an unusually high level of blue-green algae that he attributes to a combination of factors.
There's, other changes with the heavy rains that we had and things like that. The road construction that was done that left a lot of bare ground out. It hasn't quite cut and covered up yet. I think there's a lot of things that I don't know if we can really point fingers at this point at all.
Sun-loving blue-green algae floats along the surface. Take the plunge just a few inches below the waves and the lake looks normal. But in high concentrations, the algae creates cyanobacteria, enough toxin to make you sick.
The main worry is drinking water. You don't want to get the water inside you. You don't want to ingest it. You don't want to inhale it, when you're playing.
The algae-generated toxins can also make fish risky to eat unless you remove all the skin and fat from your catch. 2 dogs that spent too much time on a beach where the wind had collected the algae reportedly died of liver failure. And that's why the Millers are keeping their yellow lab Ruger out of the lake until conditions improve.
If you shower and get it off your skin, it's a problem. Hopefully it'll only last a week or two and things will clear up and we'll be back running again.
It is likely a change in our weather will put the algae bloom levels back to where they're supposed to be. But just the same, the Department of Environmental Quality now working with nearby property owners to help reduce the amount of nutrients entering the lake. Reporting at Fernan Lake, Jeff Humphrey, KXLY4.